Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about the storage bucket lock. So basically in this lab, we are going to cover bucket lock feature which allow you to configure a data retention policy for cloud bucket or storage bucket we can say. So let's get started. So here I have already opened the console. You have to go and open the cloud shell first. Okay, let's increase this size. Okay, let's and go to the task number one. You can see there are only 5 to 6 tasks we have to complete. It will not take much time. So let's go and click on the task number one. So you can create the, here it is a bucket name. So you have to copy this all commands one by one and configure on, go to the cloud shell. So let me increase the size. So you will get what command I am going to add here and execute. So you have to add this command and let's run. So your active configuration is this one. So let's go back and copy the second one command also. This is the second command I am taking. Similarly, you have to paste and execute. So it will allow you to authorize the cloud shell. Just acknowledge it. So here it is creating the GS. Okay. Now let's verify. You have to check the, so your bucket is already a storage bucket is created. Let's verify the progress. So 10 point you have earned. Now let's go to the task number 2. Now you have to define the retention policies. So basically here it is a one note. You can see 10D is nothing but the 10 days. 10M is nothing but the 10 month, or 10Y is for 10 years. So basically in retention policies we are using a 10S which is second 10 years. So here you can see, let me copy this command, paste here, and retention policy I am going to set. Okay, here it is retention policy. Let's verify. Now copy the second command for verify. Let's add and execute. So you can see the duration is 10 seconds and effective time is also defined. Go to the next. So similarly here output is also a sample output added. Now copy the next command. The lab is very simple guys. You have to follow the few commands only. It is helping you to daily operations also. So here it is. The transaction record objects you have tested now. Review the retention expiration. So you have to copy the next command for it and add it. So this is the total object 1 and 45 byte. So you can see the transaction create, update and retention. So here it is also you will see in the above all the details you will see one by one. You can verify. Now verify the set up the retention policy is correct. Now you have also again on the 10 point which means you are going to the correct way and you set up the retention policy also. Now log the retention policy. You have to log the retention policy, use this command. So all the commands is added in the lab manual. You have to refer the correct way. So here it is the retention policy unlock now. So this is a period and the duration also defined. Okay, and you can see if you want to see this setting cannot be reverted. Continue, say yes, why. So I am saying the why and locking the retention policy on this one, this bucket. Okay, now go and, so if you want to re-verify you can use this retention policy. You want to confirm, you can use this command and check. But now we already execute commands. Now now unlock the retention policy has been done. So we are completed the task number 3 also. Now we are going to the task number 4 which is temporary hold. So we'll consider the same buckets. Okay, now let's set the temporary hold on the transaction objects. Copy this command. Let's add in the cloud shell, execute. Let's wait. Yep, it's executed. Let's continue with the second. Delete the operations are not possible unless object is released from the hold. So attempt to delete. So try to use this command now. We need to replace the temporary hold on objects. So this is the it is throwing the, let me see, the it is setting the hold on this one. So let's release first. So now it is saying access denied 403 object. So this is the error showing the access denied error. Now let's continue. It is also expected. You can see this is a, you should see the following error message. Those similar message we receive. Now retention policy release we need to refer, and let's add this command and let's execute. Now it will release the temporary hold. Now we can set up. We have set up the threshold hold. Sorry, temporary hold. So here it is. We have completed task, and now you can delete the file unless retention policy for file has not expired. So let's add this command and complete it. Now removing, see, operation completed over one object. It's done. The fourth temporary hold task is also done. Now last task is event based hold. You have to follow the enable default event based hold for your bucket using this command. So let's copy this. Retention event default we are going to set up. Okay. Now add some example loan into buckets using the following command. Here it is, we are using, so cp is the copy. So see, copying the copying operation is done now, and verify event based hold is enabled for your newly added loan using the following command. Let's verify. So one object 10 byte, it's done. Now we will see what kind of output. It's creation, updation, and event based. It will be up, I guess. Let's verify from here it is corrected or not. Let's, we have one more command for the loan is paid off. When, let me clear this one and add the last command here. Let's wait for the output. Okay, releasing event based hold. Okay, this is the command executed, and this is the same output we were looking here. And lastly, we need to release the bucket retention policy taken effect. Let's release. Okay, it is done. So it will showcase the creation, update, and retention expire date also. If you want to see, let's click on here. It will take time. Let's create event based hold. It done. Yeah, the task is also completed, and now go to the last. How to remove the retention policy? Use this command. So this is the delete an empty bucket using the following command. So here it is the command we will add and execute. Removing the not empty exception 409 bucket not empty. So it says bucket not empty. We need to go through it. First clear and then go through it. But this is the last step. First of all, you need to delete. delete empty bucket using this command, but our bucket is not uh, free. You can see it is say not bucket not empty exception 40 bucket not empty. So first of all you need to clear the bucket, then delete. But our task is also done, and our all the tasks completed with we have claimed the 100 points. So this is the way you can complete your lab and claim the 100 points without any problem. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. I'll come with a new video. I hope this video is informative to you all. Thanks for the watching.